I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can probably hear in the distance, we got a train. I am here at the Gaither Road crossing here in Sykesville, Maryland on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision with Old Main Productions, who's got his tripod. We've got M372 heading our way, and I'm not sure if he's blowing. Nice K5HL. Tier 4 liter, guarantee it. And yeah, here it comes in this evening. Got a storm going, a little bit of rain, and now we're gonna have the train. All right, here it is. Boxcars up front. YN2 second, that's always nice. Fortunately, the rain is holding off for now. Got some BNSF cars, some refrigerated boxcars, also known as reapers. Wow, lots of them today. It must be a high demand. Ooh, it's an old boxcar. That is quite an old boxcar. Probably an ex-chassis. It's been a while since I've caught something at Gaither, so I'm glad to go back here. Really need to take advantage of the spot. Underrated. That is a small tanker, my goodness. We got some center beams, loaded center beams. Some more tankers. 1918 flammable. Old Main Productions, as you know, knows all about that. 1075 liquefied petroleum gas. Non-odorized. And the train's pretty wet because it went right through this storm as it got here. Apparently, the power went out around Reels Mill. So it's a good thing this train made it through there beforehand. Lots of tanker cars. Typical. And now we got some center beams. We have a mid-DPU. Oh, look how wet the mid-DPU is. TS44AH, all GE powered M372, which is pretty typical in today's trains. Every once in a while you'll see an EMD, maybe like a Jeep or SD40 trailing. Maybe like a Mack leader. It's always nice when that happens, but GEs are good too. I like them all, really. And now it's starting to rain a little bit. Yeah. Looks like they saved all the tankers for the back. Makes sense. Man, it really just might be all tankers the rest of the way. Yep, rain's picking up. You can now see it. Oh boy, it's getting heavier. Uh-oh. That might mess up things. Well, that's okay, because the end of the train is here right as the rain picks up. Oh boy, I better get inside. Thank you all for watching, and here at Gaither Road Crossing with Old Main Productions, this is the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day, wherever you may be, and stay dry.